More than 300,000 American accountants left their jobs in the last 2 years. But now, AI is eliminating the work that once created the future generation of CPAs. Is accounting dying? If you're new here, I used to work at EY for 3 years, have a CPA, and just recently graduated from Yale Business School, one of the best business schools in the world. I've seen the finance industry in and out, and leaving accounting was something that I absolutely had to do. By the end of this video, you'll likely decide on changing your career and leaving accounting forever. Accounting was something that used to be an absolutely great career choice. It was something that the economy absolutely needed, no matter the condition. Whether we were in a depression, recession, or even just growing very, very fast, the economy always needs accountants. It was really one of those stable and safe industry picks, something that didn't require too much work, was easy to do, and had a very structured recruiting path. And that's likely why you and I also picked the degree, because accounting was a safe bet. It was something that we thought would always be needed, and something that was in a constant shortage of top talent. You know, when I started my accounting career, this is exactly what it was like. And I got into EY, got my CPA, and was really one of the best performers at my firm. But it was about 3 years ago that I understood what was coming and why the accounting industry as a whole was about to take a free fall off of a cliff. AI was here to completely change the picture. As much as you constantly hate hearing about AI, if you take a step back, you realize that today, an accountant could do the work of 3 accountants in the past. Excel modeling, macros, and AI inputs have made people so much more efficient. And whereas companies now have hundreds of thousands of employees, that's going to be cut to tens of thousands. Only the best employers are going to remain, and the skill set that is required for employees is going to absolutely change. If you look into what the industry is currently hiring for, you'll see that big changes are even coming today, even though AI is nowhere near what it will be in just a few years from now. EY has completely changed their summer internship program and is now hiring people for an entire year to use AI tools and increase their productivity. But what they're truly doing is disguising what's really going on, which is that they're going to hire about 20 people for the summer, but only take a few. Because nowadays, 1 or 2 great employees could do the job of what 20 used to do back then. Furthermore, we no longer are seeing an excessive amount of job postings for something like tax accountants, auditors, and consultants. Instead, we're looking at business-focused individuals, people who understand how growing accounting as a business works. And that is because the game has completely changed. Now that's the little caveat, is when people think if accounting is gonna die, they say there's no way that accounting is gonna die, because clearly the IRS needs taxes done. Clearly accountants need to audit companies and see what is truly there. But the work, the statistics, the modeling, all of the computer-based work is now going to be done by AI. And instead, the few remaining individuals are going to be doing completely different tasks while in their jobs. And you need to understand this, because when you think about the accounting industry in the future, you're going to realize a big difference is absolutely coming. What accountants did in the past 100+ years is completely going to be revolutionized in the next few years to come. The accounting industry is partially dying because you're going to see a huge wave of new skills that are being brought into the workforce, whereas the old things that used to make employees incredible are no longer going to be needed. I remember while at EY, some of the best employees would spend over 100 hours a week solving hundreds of workbooks. But those people and their skills are no longer going to be needed. In fact, if you want to know if you're going to have a job in the next 5 years, think about who your managers put in front of a client. If that's you, then great job. you're likely going to have something available to you in the years to come. But if you're the person that they simply give all the dirty work to, all of the Excel modelings and whatever that you end up doing at your job, understand that that is no longer going to be needed. You need to take a wide picture view, and unfortunately, many people find comfort in lying to themselves. Many people see the layoffs that are going on online and think that it can never be them. But do you think that the people that got laid off thought that they would be next? Do you think that the people who are now currently unemployed and spending over 3 months finding a job thought that they would ever be in that position? And unfortunately, if you're watching this video, you likely are someone who's either an accountant today or thinking about becoming one. And if something is accounting that you want to do, you need to take a step back and think about how difficult of a career it is going to become. The accounting industry is dying, but not in a way that no one ever thought was possible, nor anyone truly understands today. Many people think that they're going to be different, and as long as they become the best candidate, that they will get the job. But something that you have to pay attention to is that a lot of experienced people are now going for entry-level jobs. College graduates are now having some of the hardest employment cycles in all of history, because though we're not in a recession or a depression today, a lot of entry-level jobs are just no longer needed. AI valuations are completely inflating the economy, and whenever you look at the more average person, you realize that the accounting industry is no longer a safe bet. Now that you understand that the accounting industry is truly changing forever, think about what skills are going to be needed in the future. And if you want the secrets, if you want the answers from someone who's interviewed with all of the top companies in the world and went to Yale Business School, then subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.